Good day, beautiful people. Ebony Bomani here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make yourself at home. Be sure to check out my existing videos and feel free to subscribe. Remember to click the notification bell so that you always know when I upload new content. Today I'll be sharing my wash day and curl defining routine for my curly, kinky, coily hair using the MoKnowsHair Curl Collection. If you're into texture typing, my hair has a mixture of 3C, 4A, and 4B strands. This collection was formulated by Monica Stevens, who's a fellow licensed cosmetologist and a Veda grad, so I already knew that the ingredients and performance would be incredible. Now, shall we begin? Because healthy hair starts at the scalp, I'll be using the Scalp and Curl Clarifier to remove dirt and buildup, as well as restore and balance my scalp and hair. Before shampooing, just apply to the scalp in workable sections and massage into a lather. It provides such a deep clean without snatching out your natural oils. We all want that, right? It feels like a spa treatment for your scalp. Next, I'll go and wet my hair and extend the lather through my curls and then rinse. Now, it's time to follow up with the Curl Hydrator shampoo. This shampoo is one of the most hydrating shampoos I've ever used. It's intensely nourishing and it left my curls feeling super soft and happy. I can already tell that detangling will be a breeze. After rinsing out the shampoo, I'll be using the curl restoring treatment. Typically, I deep condition every other wash day. That just means if I wash my hair every week, I deep condition every other week. The curl restoring treatment has the proper balance of moisture and protein, which is the foundation for bomb elasticity, which essentially means stronger hair that breaks less, right? So this step is going to be highly beneficial when it comes to your hair taking shape for any style, but especially curl defining styles. Always use products according to the manufacturer's recommendations to gauge true efficacy. My porosity is right in the middle, which is considered medium, so I'll put on my conditioning cap and process for 7 to 10 minutes. After allowing the heat to penetrate, it's time to detangle and then rinse. You can also use your hair steamer or just a conditioning cap alone for this step. So your girl loves a good liquid leave-in conditioner. I like to apply the curl primer before my styler. As with makeup or paint, a primer prepares the canvas to hold on to what comes next, be it makeup or paint. And in this case, primer helps your hair to hold on to your moisturizers, stylers, etc. It's lightweight, conditioning, and it can be more forgiving when layering other products on top, meaning your hair will be less likely to flake in the end. For certain styles, you may not want as much volume. Then you use the curl styling potion for this step instead of the primer. To define my curls, I'll be using the curl smoothing pudding, formulated to hydrate and provide medium hold. If you prefer medium hold, this will be your final application. I wanted a bit more hold and definition, so I layered it with the curl setting gel. Always apply a little bit of product at first, and if you need more, add it then. Never over apply your products. You'll always want to keep a water bottle nearby to be sure your hair is evenly saturated for efficient product distribution and absorption. Now that I'm done with product application, it's time to dry. I sat under the dryer for about an hour, so now my hair is about 90% dry. I'll be using my diffuser attachment to dry the roots even further and give it some lift. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Now, to add even more volume and movement, I'll take off the diffuser attachment and blast my roots with a little heat.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
Now this look is complete. I love how shiny and defined my hair is. The healthy ingredients in this collection truly help to reveal my truest texture. And more importantly, my hair looks and feels healthy. In case you're wondering, my hair will last until my next wash day with proper maintenance, which for me is usually every 5 to 7 days. And all I do at night is cover my hair as is with a silk or satin bonnet, or I'll put my hair into a pineapple and tie a silk or satin scarf around it, and that's it. I truly hope you enjoyed my wash day routine using the MoKnowsHair Curl Collection. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Please remember to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy seeing content from me. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments and let me know if you've ever tried this collection, which can be found at Sally Beauty or sallybeauty.com. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching.